Good afternoon, Sushant. Good afternoon, Sushant. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
We'll wait for another 2 minutes. After that, we'll start.
Okay, sir.
మీరు ఈడంతా కూర్చొనేస్తే ఒక్కటి కూర్చున్నారు ఒక్క పైన మాకు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి.
Arch, good afternoon, Arch. He's from Japan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. We'll wait for another 1 minute. After that, we'll start. Good afternoon, everybody. Guru Brahma, Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Guru Namaha. Can you tell white to play in get a queen? White to play in get a queen. How will you get a queen? White to play in get a queen. How will you get a queen?
Sir, pawn A7 and pawn A8.
Pawn h1, then king will move. Black will also move, no? So to what will you try to? How will you get a queen? Black to play in, white to play and get a queen. If pawn move h1, king will come here. So what will you do? You have to do one waiting move. How will you do that? Pawn h1 is wrong.
Sir, we have to move the king.
Where should it move?
We have to move the white king. H4.
No, h2 is correct. Now black is forced to move the king. Black is forced to move the king forward. Now unstoppable queen. Did you get it? It is unstoppable queen.
Yeah.
Got it? I'll show it again.
Okay.
First king h2. Now black is forced to move. Black is forced to move the king or pawn. If the king moves, then unstoppable queen. But did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll show Danish gambit. After that, we'll go to puzzles.
Sir, what?
Danish gambit. Danish gambit. Oh,
Sir, what is it, sir?
it is a opening one gambit. It is called one gambit. It means sacrifice something to get better position. E4, E5,
Okay, sir.
D4, CD, ED4. Now EC3. Now this is called Danish gambit. Two pieces are attacked.
Okay,
This is called Danish gambit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, can we go to one small trap, opening trap? Legal trap did I show yesterday?
Yes, sir. But can you show us again?
Okay, legal trap, 1 minute, I'll show it again. E4, E4, E5, NF3, NC6, bishop C4, now D6, then NC3. If bishop tries to pin the knight, you will lose the queen. You will lose the game, checkmate. Bishop into queen, now bishop into pawn, check. King moves, knight D5, checkmate. This is called Danish gambit. This is called legal trap. Legal trap.
Okay.
Now I'll show pitching pole trap. Pitching pole E4, E5, NF3, NC6. Pitching pole trap is done by black. So I'll shift it. Now bishop G5, then knight F6. Casual.
Sir,
now
which trap?
Fishing pole trap. Fishing pole trap. Yeah, FIS.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt. For
What?
tomorrow's tournament, is the chess tournament on that website link which you sent?
Yes. Leechess.org. Yes. Atharva, correct.
Okay, sir.
You can play. You have to send me the name and Leech's ID and name and address to me. At least WhatsApp or something. But tomorrow's tournament is 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So
Sir, but tomorrow I can play only till 4:30, sir.
I have. Let us see who wins will get a prize. And stop. Can you go to one more checkmate problem? One more check. Okay.
ಆಯ್ತು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕ ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ
White to play in checkmate black in one move. I'll flip the board. White to play in checkmate black in one move. Can anybody take?
ಅಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರಪ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ ಸಮ್ಮಿರ
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
ಅನ್ಲೋಕ್ ಮಾಡು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿದಾಯ್ತು
White to play in checkmate black in one move. Bull tell. One more checkmate.
Sir, NC6.
NC6. Okay. Then you can go to F4. Only one move is there.
ನೈಟ್ 3
Knight F3. Who told that? That is also wrong. Then king can go to F4. That is also
ಸರ್
wrong.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿತ್ವಿಕ್ ಸರ್
Yes, Ritik, can you tell? Ritik,
ಸರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಟು E6
knight to E6 is correct. Now it's checkmate. King can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? Can Atharva tell? Can Atharva tell? Atharva, do you know what is checkmate?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿತ್ವಿಕ್
1 minute.
Second.
Atharva, let him try. Let Atharva try. Can you try? Sushant, can you try? Sushant,
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿತ್ವಿಕ್
Sir,
ಸರ್
I'm seeing.
1 minute. 1
ಸರ್
minute.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್
Ritvik, let us wait. Others, let others answer.
Okay.
Ars,
ಕ್ವೀನ್ D6
Ars, can you tell? Ars is from Japan. Can you tell?
Sir, QD6.
2d6. Who told? Sushant. Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Can you go to next problem?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಈಸಿ
Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? Sorry.
ಸರ್ 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 ಎಫ್ ಪಾನ್ ಟು F4
On to F4.
ಸರ್
Now
ನಾಟ್
king
F4
can't come here or here. I'll give one.
Sir.
One.
ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್
I'll set up the question. 1 minute.
ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಹಾ ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಮ್ಮ
Now can you tell white to play in get a queen? How will you get a queen? White to play in get a queen. White to play in get a queen.
ಸರ್ ಪಾನ್ ಟು B6
On to B6. Who told Ritvika? Now
Yes,
pawn
sir,
to
Ritvika.
pawn. What will you play?
I'll play wait sir I'll think
Sir, pawn to C6.
Who told that? Sushanta.
Sushant.
Correct. Now pawn kills. Now what will you play?
sir pawn to A6
On to A6. Correct. Now unstoppable queen. Correct.
sir pawn to A7
Pawn to A8 queen.
8.
Now we'll give one rook to you. How will you checkmate with black? White.
sir it's like queen checkmate itself no sir
No, rook checkmate is slightly different. You have to require both rook and king. Can you tell? Can you do it? Both king and rook are required.
sir king to E2
King to E2. Now king E.
Sir, at what time are we doing the trial tournament?
Tournament is 5 o'clock today.
Okay, sir.
Sir, rook to D3.
D3. Tomorrow actual tournament. Okay.
Sir, king to E3.
Into E3. Now rook king F5.
Sir, rook to D4.
Rook to D4. Now king D4, king E5. Please, all of you join for the tournament, tomorrow's tournament.
Sir,
King
rook to
E4.
E4.
King E4.
King
Sir,
cannot go to E4. King, rook E4. Then I will go here. What will you do?
Sir, rook to D4.
To D4. I will move again here.
Mm. Rook to F4.
To F4. I will move again here.
Sir,
You have to clear both king and rook.
rook to F5.
To F5. Now I will move here. What to play? You have to bring king also.
King, yeah, sir. I was going king to E4.
E4.
Now king here
Sir, rook to E5.
to E5. Now king D6.
Sir,
King to E5.
King
Sir,
cannot
king
go
to
to E5.
F5.
Rook is there. Rook move.
F5.
King
Sir,
to
King
F5.
to F5.
Rook C6.
sir, king, this thing.
Rook E6.
King movement. King movement. King.
Sir, king to F6.
King to E6 is correct. Now king. Now rook movement again.
Sir, rook to D5.
Now king moves here. What will you play?
Sir, king to E5.
King to E5. Now king moves here. What will you play?
Sir, I will play king to E6.
Sir, rook to D7.
Rook to D6 is correct. Now king moves. King movement again. King movement again.
Sir, king to E6.
E5. E5. D5. Now king moves. Again king movement. Again king movement.
Sir, king to E6.
To E6. Now king moves here. King moves
Sir, king to D7.
to D7. Okay. Now I move here. What will you play?
Sir, rook to C6.
To C6. Now king moves to here. What will you play? King movement.
Sir, king to C7.
Okay. Now one more checkmate.
Sir, rook to B8.
Yeah, B8 check. It won't be checkmate. One more checkmate.
King to B7.
No movement. Rook movement. King cannot
Sir,
come in.
rook to
Rook to
A6.
B7.
Sir, rook to A6.
A6 is
Sir, it's told.
correct. Now it is checkmate. Can we go to one more checkmate problems?
Yes, sir.
Now white to play in checkmate black in one move. Sushant, can you tell Sushant or Hanchini or
Sir, queen to E5.
Queen to E5? Correct. Correct. What was Hanchini told? Very good Hanchini.
Ashwini.
Hanchini, correct. Now king can't come here. Correct. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir,
Sir, pawn to promote.
pawn to F8.
What will you
Sir,
take?
queen.
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 Yes, what is that? What is that? Sushant, what is that?
Queen.
Queen, correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, queen to G6. Sir,
Queen to G6 is correct. Correct. Now king can't. Correct.
sir,
King can't come here or here.
మాట్లాడట్లేడు వాడు.
Sir, next one.
1 minute. 1 minute. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
Sir,
Sir, queen to f3.
Queen to f3, then soldier will kill the queen.
sir,
Soldier
queen to
will-
F1, sir. Queen to
Queen to
F1.
f1 is correct. Queen to f1 is correct. Now king can't move. If queen to f3, then soldier will kill the queen. Soldier will kill the queen.
Queen to F1, sir.
Queen to f1 is correct. Can you tell now white to play in checkmate black in 1 move?
Sir, rook d6.
Who told that?
Sushant.
Sushant, correct. Very good, correct. Now king can't come here or here or here, correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 1 move?
Sir, rook to C2.
Rook to c2, then it will not be checked at all.
Sir, bishop to f3. F1.
Sir, rook to c3. Sir, bishop to f1.
Bishop to f1 is correct. Bishop to f1 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 1 move?
Sir, pawn to no. Sir, bishop to F5.
F5 is correct. Yeah, Ritik told her. Ritik.
Ritik told, sir.
Correct, correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 1 move? White to play.
Sir, bishop f1.
Bishop f1, correct. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 1 move?
Sir, bishop to F2.
Bishop to f2, then king will kill the rook. Only one move is there for you.
Sir, bishop to e1.
Bishop to
Sir,
e1 is
bishop
also.
Sir, bishop to d8.
Bishop to d8.
Sir, bishop to d8. Harshini.
Correct. Correct, Harshini. Very good. Now king can't come here.
Sir,
Here.
Sushant, I told first.
Sushant and Harshini both told. Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in 1 move?
Bishop to f7.
Bishop to f7 is not possible. And
Sir, sorry. Bishop to e8.
bishop to
Harshini.
e8 is correct. Correct. Harshini is correct. Now king can't come here or here. King can't kill the rook. Correct, Harshini. Very good. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Now can you tell white to play? Harshini,
Sir, rook to A8.
rook to a8.
Sir, rook to a8. Harshini.
Correct, correct, correct.
Sir, I told.
Yes, yes. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move. Can you tell?
Sir, queen e8.
Queen e8. Correct.
Harshini.
Harshini is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move? 1 minute, I'll come. I'll go to restroom and come down.
Sir, bishop to a6.
Correct. Bishop a6 is correct.
Sir, bishop to a6, Harshini.
Correct. Correct. Bishop a6 is correct. Correct. Now you can't come here or here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, sir, knight to e7.
Knight to e7. Okay. Who told that?
Sir, Ritvik.
Now double check is there. Rook and knight both are giving check. King can't come here or here. Bishop is discovered check. Got it? Did you get it? Now king can't come here or here. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, queen h8, Harshini.
Minute. Correct. Arshini is correct. Now king can't move here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, knight b6.
Knight b6.
Knight to b6, Harshini.
Sushant is correct. Correct. Anshini is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, queen to h7,
Queen to
Harshini.
h7. Correct, Arshini. Very good. So king can't come here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, knight to d6.
Correct. Who told that? Sushanta. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move? Arsh, can you tell? Arsh, can you tell? Arsh,
Sir, queen to d8,
queen to
Harshini.
d8, then queen will kill the king.
Rook to e8.
Rook to e8 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Rook to e8 is correct. Arsh. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, bishop to g7, Harshini.
Archini, correct. Very good. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Now can Sushant tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, rook to h8.
Rook to h8, then king will kill the rook. King will kill the rook. So say rook h8, then it is not supported by king. King will kill the rook. That is.
Sir, rook to g2.
Rook to g2 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move?
Sir, queen to d5.
Sir, queen to d5, Harshini.
Correct. So, correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, queen to g6.
Queen
Sushant.
to G. Correct. Correct. Very good, Sushant. Correct. Now king can't here or here. Correct. Correct. King can't come here. Now can anybody tell white to play?
Sir, queen to h7.
Correct. Correct. Very good.
Sir, Sushant.
Sushant, correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, bishop to b8.
Correct, Harshit.
Sir,
Bishop correct. Bishop b8 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Bishop is giving check. Correct. No, king can't come here also. Rook is there. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, rook to e8.
Rook to e8, then rook will kill the rook. Only one move is there for you.
sir, knight to
Sir,
f6.
Knight to
f6.
Correct. Now king
Sushant.
can't come here or here. Correct. Sushant is correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Pawn
Pawn
c5.
to c5. Harshini.
Sushant.
Correct. Very correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, pawn to g5.
Correct.
Harshini.
Harshini, correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct. Now can you anybody tell white to play?
Sir, pawn to c6.
Pawn to
Sir,
c6.
pawn
How,
to c6. Harshini.
correct. How is the class going on?
Sir, Richard told it, sir, first.
How is the class going on? Hello? How is the class going on?
Good, sir.
Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, knight to b8.
Knight to b8 and king can escape. Only one move is there for you.
Queen to e6.
Queen to e6, then rook will kill the queen. Queen to e6, then rook will kill the queen. Knight will kill the queen.
Sir, queen to f7.
Queen
Harshini.
to, queen to f7 is also wrong. Queen to f7 is that queen will kill the queen.
Sir, rook d8.
D8 is correct.
Sushant.
That is correct. Correct. King can't move here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Queen b4. Sushant.
Queen d4 is not possible. B4.
Sir, b4.
Queen
b4.
B4 is correct. Now, sorry. Queen b4, king comes here, bishop is giving check, king comes here, bishop is giving check, correct. King can't come here also. Soldier is there. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, rook to
Sir,
h5.
Rook to h5. White soldier can't kill it. White soldier can't kill it. Because it is called
Sir,
absolute. Absolute pin.
Sir,
It is
Sir, it's pinned.
It is pinned. It is called absolute pin. Now king can't. Do you know what is the meant by absolute pin and relative pin? Absolute pin means you cannot move the piece at all. This is called absolute pin. If it moves, king is gone. Relative pin means you can move the piece, but your higher piece will go. That's called relative pin. I will go give the one example. One minute. One minute, 1 minute. This is called relative pin problem. White to play and get a better position. Can you tell? This relative pin problem. Which white to play and get a light free. This is called relative pin. This is called relative. Can anybody tell white to play and tell the best move? Relative pin. White to play and get a bet, tell the best move. This is called relative pin. You can move the piece, but your higher piece will go. Can you hear me? Everybody, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
White to play and tell the best move. Relative pin. Should I tell or you will tell?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, rook to e4.
Rook to e4. This is called relative pin. Did you get it? Now you further piece, your higher piece will go.
Sir, I'll
This
pill the
called-
queen.
Yes, that is called
Sir, I'll
relative pin. The
Yes, sir.
absolute pin is you cannot move the piece at all. King is involved, absolute pin. Higher piece involved, that is called relative pin. Did you get it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if it was me, I'd just leave it, sir. I wouldn't kill the rook. Sir, because the king is not trapped here.
Yes, that is called relative pin. Now white to play and checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, bishop
bishop
Bishop to e4.
Bishop to e4, then king can go to g4 and king can go to e6. One move is checkmate.
Bishop G3, H3, H3.
Bishop h3 is correct. Now can't come here or here or here. Correct. King can't come in front of king. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move? This is also relative absolute pin problem.
Sir, rook E6.
Then soldier will kill the rook. That's wrong.
Sir, knight to c6. Knight to
Knight to
c6.
c6, then queen will kill the knight. That's all. Knight to f5. Archini is correct. Correct.
Knight to f5.
Knight to f5. Now soldier can't kill it. It is absolute pin. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play and checkmate black in one move? Can anybody tell?
Sir.
Queen F4.
Queen f4.
No, sir.
Queen to f4. Happening.
No,
Sir,
queen f4
Ritik.
is wrong.
Sir, pawn to c7.
Correct. Pawn to c7 is correct. So king can't come here or here. King can't kill the pawn because rook is supporting it. It can't come here or here. Correct. Now white to play and checkmate black in one move.
Rook to h8.
Rook to h8 is correct.
Okay.
King can't come here or here or here. Correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate break in one move?
Sir, knight to f7, sir.
Correct. Very good. It be correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Rook is giving check. King can't come here also. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, queen
Sir,
to
rook
h1.
to g8.
Queen
Sir, queen to
h1 is queen h1 is correct.
Queen to h1.
Correct.
Sir,
Queen
it is
h1.
good.
Correct. It is correct. Now king can't come here or correct. Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Knight
Sir, knight
f7.
to
Knight
f7,
f7,
sir.
then bishop will kill the knight. That is wrong. Bishop will kill the knight. Only one move is there for you.
Sir, rook to h7. Rook to
Rook to
h7.
h7, then bishop will kill the rook. Rook h7, then bishop will kill the rook. Bishop will kill the rook. That's wrong.
Sir, bishop to g7.
Bishop to g7 is not possible. Knight,
Sir, knight to f6,
knight to f7, then bishop will kill the knight. Knight f7, then bishop will kill the knight. Only one
Sir, knight to g6.
knight to
Sir,
g6.
knight to g6.
Correct.
Knight to g6.
Knight to g. This is also absolute pin. King can't, soldier can't move. Correct. What it? Did you get it? Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir,
Sir, pawn to
Queen to
e8.
f8. Hanshin is correct. Queen to f8 is correct.
yes, sir.
Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move?
Sir, bishop to g7.
Correct. Correct. Now, king can't come here or here. Rook is giving check.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell white to play in checkmate black in one move? Last problem.
Sir, queen
Queen
is sir.
B6 is queen should move. Queen to where should it move?
Sir,
b6.
Sir, queen to a6.
A7.
A7, queen to
Queen
a7.
to h1 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Can I chant mantra?
Yes, sir.
नमस्तनंताय शास्त्रमूर्ते शास्त्रपदक शिरोभावे शास्त्रनामने पुरुषा शास्त्र शास्त्र कोटिविदानिंब ओम शांति शांति शांति. Thank you. Everybody play the tournament tomorrow, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Sir, today the trial tournament you said.
You can play. That password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is the tournament.
Yes, sir. At 5, what should we do?
It's you log in and play with some people will be.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.